Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a responsive website using Grid. A responsive grid system is essential for modern web design, allowing your content to fluidly adjust to any screen size, from a small smartphone to a large desktop monitor. This approach ensures a consistent and excellent user experience, no matter how your visitors access your site. We will explore the core concepts of CSS Grid, which offers robust, two-dimensional layout capabilities. To begin, you'll apply Display Grid to your parent container, transforming it into a grid layout. Next, use grid template columns to define your column structure. For example, 3 columns of equal width. Similarly, grid template rows sets the height for your rows. Don't forget the gap property, which creates consistent spacing between your grid items, enhancing readability and visual appeal. This foundational setup is crucial for any grid-based design. Making your grid truly responsive involves several key techniques. The FR unit, or fractional unit, is excellent for creating flexible columns that share available space. Combine this with min-max to ensure your columns never shrink below a certain size or grow beyond another. For dynamic column counts, autofit or autofill with repeat is invaluable. Finally, media queries allow you to fine-tune your layout for specific screen sizes, ensuring optimal presentation everywhere. Once your grid is defined, you can precisely place items using grid column and grid row to span multiple tracks. For more complex layouts, Grid Area lets you assign names to sections and place items by those names. Always consider a mobile-first design strategy, building up for larger screens. Remember to rigorously test your responsive grid across a wide range of devices and browser widths to guarantee a flawless user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.